Hello, this is Parker coming to you from downstairs of Viva. We have this beautiful staircase here, and I know all of you have at least 1 or 2 steps in your house, and we're going to use them. So we can get our exercise in if you don't want to go to the gym by going up and down those stairs. We can also use this to help our balance and exercise our calves, which we use in a lot of our dances. So we can do our calf raises here, where we go controlled up for 10 seconds. And then we slowly lower, and if you can, get slightly below the stairs, and then back up. Stay focused on a point in front of you, and lower. So we want to do this very slowly to really get the control we need for rise and fall in our smooth dances, or pushing our hips and our thighs forward in our rhythm dances. We can also try it in a turn out position. And we can use these stairs also for understanding American rhythm movement, or kizomba, or salsa and bachata, where I'm going to step forward on a bent leg, then stand up on it, and we're going to go side, grab a bent leg, and transfer up on that. And then just come back down, and we're going to do it again on the other side. So step up on a bent knee, we transfer, stand up, side, and down, and back down. And 1, 2, back, and 1, 2, back. So this will get you used to stepping onto a bent knee and then pressing up through it, both for our rhythm dances and for kizomba and salsa and bachata. See you on our next tip.